Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you why multi-time frame analysis is really important in BBMA. Here I saw CSM sell candle, and when there is a CSM sell candle, we mark re-entry areas MA510 high. So when the market comes to MA510 high, we apply confirmation and enter the trades. Of course, confirmation is really important, and here is the invalidation zone, which is just above the MA510 high, which I marked in a red rectangle. Here in M15, which is time frame 3 according to H4. Here I saw this extreme TP wajib, and normally rule said you need to enter at MHV area, which is market low volume. But I entered a bit early because it dropped very heavily on a higher time frame. So I entered a bit early because when market drops significantly and it comes to the zone MA510 high and again drop without giving us a time to enter at re-entry zone. So that's why when the market came to that re-entry zone, I just entered without checking the confirmation. However, confirmation is really important if you want to play really safe. I keep adding layers whenever the price moves 5 to 8 pips. Then I keep adding layers. I am using cent account, so I would recommend everybody to start with a cent account and deposit $30, $40 and play with it. If you don't get feel with the demo account, I would highly recommend to use cent account. You can see I have deposited $50 and I was already up by 50%, but I didn't close the trade.
Holy,
by the way, I have a bot which sent me a notification on my Telegram channel that there is a setup forming according to BBMA. So I always check that if setup is forming according to BBMA code, then I take it. Here you go, I took a loss. I saw this CSM sell and took the re-entry at MA510 high, and I was expecting that the market will come to the previous low, but unfortunately it didn't happen. And then I saw daily CSM, and after the CSM there are two re-entries area, MA510 low and mid BB. When I took the trade, I didn't check the daily time frame, so that's why I had to take the loss, but it's a part of the game. Multi-time frame is really important in BBMA. Thank you for watching. See you next time.